All right, what's going on, everybody? Chris with Appalachian Automotive Service here. Heading out to Montgomery to do oil change, first one this week. An F-250 from a guy from high school. Finishing up here at the shop, doing the day job. Had a lot of stuff going on today in the process of putting a 1 liter engine back into an EcoSport. Some door latches on a Lincoln, and then mentioned a A-pin module on a 2016 Edge. Man, that's been a nightmare and a half trying to troubleshoot, navigate that whole thing. Hopefully, knock out this oil change real quick, get back home. This will be the job on camera, so I'm kind of excited to see this. What do we got here? We got a 40-mile drive. Well, I'm going to flip you guys around and let you enjoy the road and the scenery and take you along for the ride. Got to get something to drink before we get out here because it is 98 degrees, is what the truck says. So that's a little rough. All right. Just out of curiosity, for those of you watching, has anyone else tried the mashup Gatorades? I feel like I used to do this as a kid, and I'm so happy that they like made my childhood fun, like an actual drink. And I love the lemon lime orange ones. They're really good. Well, there we have it. I got this big old F-250 there. All right, guys. Well, we just got to the house. Time to do this oil change on this F-250, and hopefully about 35 minutes, and we'll be done. Shouldn't be too bad, but let's get after it. So, we'll say that's one good thing about working on trucks. I don't have to go crazy with jacks and jack stands and everything. I mean, there's especially on these F-250s, there's a lot of room underneath, so I don't really have to break my back too bad. I don't need all this stuff. Really, just opening up those so I can set you you all right there. It gives you kind of a nice little view of what we're working with here. Do have this handy dandy, my favorite wrench by Matco right here. This little 15 by 13 mil definitely helps out a lot when it comes to these oil changes. Makes things a little bit more streamlined. Oh, nice and easy on F-250s. We're just gonna. Oh, funky. That's that diesel oil, buddy. Nice and dirty. Hopefully this camera doesn't fall. Got this magnet on the bottom of it. I really like that, honestly. For things like this where I need both hands. Ooh, that could have been bad. I want to touch on that here in a little bit. Double gaskets, man. Oh, that can ruin somebody's day, I'll tell you that. Move all this oil without making a mess. That's going to be the key here. Get our rug slash jeans. I did not bring cardboard with me this time. It was a mistake. I thought about it, but just didn't. Get our tools picked up, and then we'll fill her up, and we'll be done. 15 quarts of 10W30. Big old 6.7. I will stick to my gasser. That should be 12 quarts. And yes, these jugs might not say 1030 oil, but they are just reused jugs. And I have bulk. Oh yeah, we'll call that good. All right, well, I think that's it for the video. Customer just got here, so talk to him for a minute. But as far as the drain, refill, the oil, everything's good. We'll talk to you guys whenever get back in the truck. All right, guys, we're back in the truck here. Uh, it was a buddy from high school, so it was nice to catch up with him for a little bit. It's starting to get a little late. You can find any of our information out on the Facebook page. Phone number's posted there. If you guys need any work done, comment down below, send a message, shoot a text, phone call. Again, Appalachian Automotive Mobile Service. It was good hanging out with you guys for a little bit, but I'm going to head home. I got about an hour drive, so I appreciate you all and look forward to the next time we get to hang out together.